Welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're tuning into this, you're not here for basic fluff. You're ready to learn how to build a marketing system from the absolute ground up. Not just the high-level theory, but a fully functional revenue-generating machine. I want you to picture your marketing as a high-performance engine. You need the exact right blueprints to build it, you need to assemble the mechanical parts flawlessly, and then finally, you need that high-octane fuel to make the whole thing run. Okay, let's dive into this.
So, we are starting our journey right here, with these incredibly dense, handwritten source notes. I wanted to show you this to authenticate exactly what we're doing today. We're taking these deeply detailed concepts and distilling them down into a clear, structured, and totally actionable masterclass. Basically, we're transforming raw data into your new personalized marketing playbook.
Here is the syllabus for our playbook today. First up, foundations of strategy. Second, we'll build the growth marketing engine. Third, data and experiments. And finally, number 4, mastering digital tactics. We're going right from planning the blueprint to fueling the engine.
All right, Section 1, Foundations of Marketing Strategy. Let's lay down that blueprint.
It all starts right here with the STP framework: segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Think of this as pouring the concrete foundation for your house. True segmentation isn't just about basic demographics anymore. It cuts through the noise to find specific user habits and interests. Then you have targeting, which answers who you are actually speaking to out of that massive crowd. Because let's be real, you simply cannot speak to everyone. And finally, positioning dictates exactly how you're going to stand out and dominate that specific niche. Take a second and think about your own product right now. How would you define these 3 foundational pillars?
Once you know exactly who your audience is, you absolutely have to understand why they act the way they do. Customer behavior isn't always rational. In fact, what's really interesting about this slide is how customer behavior relies on these deep-seated, invisible triggers. Whenever someone buys something, yes, they are trying to solve a practical problem, but they are also trying to fulfill a core emotional need. If your marketing only talks to the logical problem but totally ignores that emotional trigger, your engine is just not going to start.
To tie all that strategy